Video on how to utilize Skyward for communication with parents. The once you are logged in Skyward, you're going to go to your teacher access to your gradebook. Select any gradebook or the gradebook that you're trying to send the communication to. On the top left hand side, you should see other access. You're going to go to the message center, and this is where you're going to create your message for sending to family members. Okay. If you're trying to send the message only to the to the roster that you selected, then you would select add message for current class. I'm going to select add message for multiple classes. That way I have the option of selecting more than one roster to send the message to. The message summary, this is going to be your subject line of the email. So you can change the priority of your email. The message detail, this is going to be the body of your email. So for the video purposes, I have already created my message, but you do have the options of changing your font and size just like you would in Word, and just type your message in this box here. But okay. Once you have finished typing up your message, then all you have to do is change your settings on how you want that message to be sent. So only post for students currently enrolled in selected classes. You have the different check options for the message itself. Okay. Then you have your emailing options. So send as email, and you can change the date on when this email will be sent to a future time rather than the current time. So if I was to put, I wanted to send this message later, I can go ahead and make that change here. Okay. Email to students for middle school that have the actual Canvas access and things like that. Okay, and then email to the guardians. So if you're trying to do only the parents, or which family members you're trying to include on those emails as well. Okay, so head of household, primary, guardians only. Okay. And then if you're trying to include any additional recipients to this email, so if you're trying to CC your co-teacher, so if you're swapping rooms with another classroom teacher, if you needed to CC admin on this, then you would be view select additional recipients, and this is where you would type in the additional recipient's email address. Okay. This is where I'm selecting my classroom. So in this situation, I'm sending it to both of my math classrooms, which is all of my students for the entire day. So that way I don't have to send a different message to those students individually. Okay. Save my message. Okay. And at this point, the message has been posted and sent. Okay. So as you can see, I have the two messages for the two different rosters that I send.